Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford's Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power and four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. It does have vent shades on the windows, but let's take a look inside. RV or otherwise, do have a 12-volt power outlet right there. You've got a cargo privacy cover, and this can of course be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 115-volt power outlet down there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 169,731 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on your right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, vehicle info, including service information, stuff like that, fuel economy, trip information, stop-start status, audio, stored messages such as warnings and other information, as well as screen setup in general. And then you do have your radio controls on the back side of your steering wheel. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth and SD, as well as USB and auxiliary compatible, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your seat controls, because you do have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. And you have your digital climate controls, as well as your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, Bluetooth phone controls, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your hazards, and then your physical, media, and climate controls, as well as your traction control shutoff and auto start stop shutoff. Moving down further, here you have your SD, USB, and auxiliary outlets, so you can hook up your audio, as well as a 12-volt, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your 4x4 controls here, so you have 4 low, you have a locking rear diff, I believe, hill descent assist, and then select speed, which I believe is like cruise control for rougher terrain. And then you have all of your terrain modes, so you have auto, snow, sport, sand, mud, and rock, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest with 2 tiers and plenty of room inside, including another 12-volt and USB. And then last but not least, you do have a sort of hidden compartment under the front passenger seat for more storage, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.